Doodle 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 doo. Come on, buddy. Give me the YouTubes. Hey everybody. Happy Wednesday. I am feeling a little better. I don't know what's going on with me yesterday, but I just had to sleep. Feeling pretty off. You know, throat and just like achy and shit. So it was good. Good to get to sleep. Feeling a little better today, so I think it wasn't like a full-on sickness. There we go. I might sneeze though. Let me see if I can mute in time. No? Maybe not. Okay, I'm not gonna sneeze. It might happen later though. Stay tuned. Could be sneezing anytime. Alright. Let's jump back on the horse, eh? We need to continue building out this level. I think where we left off was getting... we're working on a bug, I think, actually. I don't remember what the bug was. I think something wasn't loading right.
This is gonna take forever to get in order. Well, never a better time than now, I suppose.
Because we have this. This started... No blockade, though. So that's weird. Oh, yeah. We got the message. But that message trigger shouldn't have been there. I think we might have to start over. Well, let's make sure we're doing the right bug and give it a shot. We'll jump on over to Thyrus. And let's see when we get the CNC.
May I help you, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Mr. Salverson sent me here to continue some research.
Yeah, looking at mission names.
Mr. Milford, I see
I think
here
this
you
is
are
fine.
stationed in Section C, Lab 3 of the research grid. Here is your temp badge.
Thank you.
A permanent badge will be sent.
Thank you.
Here are your keys.
Thank you.
Here is your CNC.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is here. No messages. Trigger should be here. Alright, we got our message.
This is your CNC device.
Great.
Refer to this while in the Tyrus research facility.
Will do. Let's talk to her.
Oh.
It's the Negres.
Okay.
We'll be showing you to your station and getting to onboard.
And before I go into my office, I need to double check that I'm not going to hit a trigger that I don't want to. Actually, we'll just go dev mode. Oh, shit. So in dev mode, I can see her trigger. I think that is the helper trigger, though. Right? I think so. Yeah, otherwise... I'm worried that's going to trigger... That might be actually the mission trigger. That's the explainer trigger. Well, let's get her out of here.
Help.
Oh, it's
How
part
do you
of my
accomplish
Patreon
this?
enhanced
You think
biomechanics.
that this
It
research
allows a subject
we
to
can
function
push
at 5
as
times the
far as
capacity
how
of
this
their
is
average
accomplished.
physical
Do you have
capabilities.
any
She's
Reduced blood
talking way too
clot,
much.
muscle strengthening, it
Well,
has not
within
put much flexibility.
I missed lunch.
Salverson does
Wonderful.
Then
Great,
you
thanks.
should remain
Bye.
open. Why don't you get settled here and
Yeah, I still don't like that her trigger's staying there. Anytime you hit a trigger, it should remove.
The glass is kite indestructible.
Okay,
If you
so now
hear an
this should
explosion,
trigger the
there
message,
is no need to
organize
worry about shrapnel.
your office should turn into all those missions. See, I was wrong. That wasn't the mission. That's the fucking message. The message should not be there. Yet. That means that my mission trigger is not working. Let me double check. See, materialize after mission. This is supposed to be the mission that makes the message show up. And by message, I mean the trigger. And I have not completed move blade device. Right? Move blade. Oops, shit. Blade device. Yep, see the mission's right here. And it doesn't matter that it's not showing. It should still be working. Alright, well, I gotta figure that out. First off, did I push... Oh, I'm clicking the wrong thing. I did not mean to open my slicer. Why does it have to be green? Okay, did I push all the code? If there's anything left over, then I probably messed it up. Or that would explain why it's not working. It's just if the meta box is showing up, the logic should be there. That's why I don't think it's not pushed. Yeah, nothing. So code is not the issue. Let's figure out what the hell's going on. So I thought this was working locally. That's why I'm kind of peeved. We got the fucking clean class name, get the mission name this. We're looking for this materialized mission. So let's double check that is showing properly. Trigger still there? Damn it. It persisted. Of course it persisted, because I made it persist. So let's go ahead and start over. Oh, whoops. We can actually make a new game. Level selector. Alright. Cool. So now we need to check. Materialize. Materialize mission. So that doesn't have one. That's another one. And that does have one. Move blade device. So if that mission exists, this should be hidden. That is the problem that I'm having right now. Shit. Did I not hide it on load? I thought I did that logic. Load mission blockades. Yeah, this is where I was doing it. So I was doing this. I was getting this. If it exists, hide it. Only thing I can think of is maybe the missions. Well, no, because it should definitely be here. Wait, when does this get hit? This gets hit on enter a new area, which when I do a level select, that should definitely be entering a new level, a new area. Load mission. Okay, so this is definitely getting hit. Mission item list. So here's the mission item list. And move your blade device is right here. Okay. Only thing I can think of is clean class name isn't working. But I thought I tested this locally. Did I just fucking guess? Maybe I just guessed. Maybe I assumed this was working. Let's go to the clean class name function and see if it is doing what it's supposed to. Whoops, that one. Alright, so this class name list has next mission. Okay, well, there's your problem. We're not removing everything. Next mission. Mission item. See, I must have not set this up for missions. That's probably why this isn't working. Dim. Okay, but there are gonna be spaces, so I gotta get rid of that. Mission item. Guess I can just get rid of the whole thing. Actually, no, because it doesn't always have a next mission, so let's do this. Mission item. And we'll do the same thing with the space. And then blade. So now we need to get rid of the extra crap. So move blade device. Mission item with this. We also have to get rid of that. Yes. Actually, let's do this one first, just in case. And then we'll do the regular mission item. With the space. Okay. Now this should work, because it's going to be getting the actual mission name. And I'm so confident, like I probably was before, I'm just going to push it. I don't care. I don't care, man. Life's too short. Push code. Gotta make a t-shirt that says that. Hey, what up, Star Melon? Always catching up with you while going to work. That's cool. Head on down to Worktown. Thanks for jumping on, my friend. How you been? Push this fucking code. That's how I roll. You know, sometimes water is just so refreshing. You can't stop drinking it. That's where I'm at. Oh, shit. Sorry if I've been so quiet. I didn't realize my mic was turned sideways. Much better. Now you can hear me. Alright, let's push this up. Can also probably move this a little bit. Alright, much better. Okay, cool. Code should be pushed to production. And now we should actually see this thing hidden. What? Okay. Materialize mission. Okay, are you hidden? No, code's probably not pushed yet. You like my stream because you're getting to the 80s, 90s. Oh yeah, man. This is definitely those 80s, 90s pixel RPG vibes with a very unique storyline. At least, I don't know, I haven't played a lot of RPG games. Maybe it's not unique. Maybe there's a lot of scientists going to fantasy universes with a bunch of other scientists. Possible I'm just ripping off somebody. Okay, so far no good. I might actually have to test this locally. Alright, let's do that real quick. Let's do that. Do I even have a materialized mission? I think I put the testing one in, yeah, I put it in, Foresight. Lego back. All right. Hi. I'm Gray Milford. Go fuck yourself. It looks like I did not even do that. Okay, so we're gonna have to make one. Let's do one real quick. Do I have one of these? Dinner message. I do. Let's put... Oh, move your chair. I did do this. Well, why wasn't it there? Synthyrus. It's got that. Yeah, I already did this. Text. Okay. Fuck me, dude. Why wasn't it showing up in the local? Thyrus. Oh, whoops. Neopet vibes. Yeah, dude, I used to make Flash games actually. I made a South Park game kind of based off of Space Invaders, where you're Cartman shooting cheesy poofs at crazy turkeys. I really wish I could find that. Here, let's see if I can search it real quick and find it. I meant to do that before as well. South Park. Sometimes I just have shit hidden. I think it was called something with Cartman. Cartman? Cart many. Nice. Hey, Indy! What up, buddy? Long time no see. Something with turkey? Oh no, PHP official. What up? Kuzo's back. What up, buddy? Cold turkey? No. Turkey. It's thinking about the country, it looks like. Oh, look at this. Is this the turkey? No, that's not it. It was actually a South Park turkey. I wonder if I just have like a Swift file sitting around. No, this is my cartoon. Amusement park. Sorry, I'm looking for my South Park Flash game I made. I was going to try to play it for you guys. But it's starting to feel like I don't know where it would be. Been home from Florida for a while now. Just been going for walks and having fun. Nice, man. Well, you got school starting soon, right? Have all the fun you can. What are these fucking Swift files? I think these are all just like for fun or something. Yeah, because we have my shapes. I don't even know where it would be. I might just have it in my cloud FLA files. Flash. Nah. Nothing, man. Ah, forget it. I'm not wasting any more time on it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I wonder where that is. It's probably in my OneDrive old S account. Yeah, I think I tried to load it too in the newest Animate Adobe thing, and it has such an old ActionScript version that it wasn't even compatible, but I think it would still play if I tried to play it. I'll find it. Maybe I'll put it in the game channel on Discord. What were we doing? Oh yeah, we got this working. We need to see what the fuck is going on in here. Oh, this is already triggered. I gotta restart it. That's probably why it wasn't showing. That's why it wasn't chosen. Ooh, let's get some stream avatars going. It's been so long. Starmelon, we gotta get you a stream avatar. If it works. Oh, that's right. Refreshing doesn't do that. You have to actually click refresh now. There we go. Let's go. Starmelon, do you have an account on orbemortar.com? Go to orbemortar.com/register. If you create an account, I can add an avatar for you. Just tell me what image you want to use. And you can be floating above my head. Just like these dudes. Yeah, just go to orbemortar.com. I mean, you can always create an account on the game too. Just by going to orbem.games. And then just clicking login, register. There's a little register there too. Let's go. Oh yeah, I gotta add the category. Now that Indy's here, gotta add a category. Doop tap doo doo doop doop tap tap. Game development. Alright. And save. Let's also, can I snooze? I'm snoozing for the next 5 minutes. Come on down to Orbem Town. Make sure you are following me. Okay. Yes, new game. That's what I was doing. Yeah, and as you can see, I moved my desk. We have guests coming, so I had to move my desk into the corner. So, and my piano is not hooked up anymore because it's in the way. Because my desk is on this side now, and I can't walk in if I put the piano here. So, yeah. I think I still have my little MIDI. But it's not as easy to play stuff on the MIDI. Let's see. It's not even hooked up. I just did a new gig where I made a screamo version of Mashed Potatoes. Apparently it's like a children's song. Sounds fun. Input. Reset mini. Oh. It's probably just the headphones. What the fuck? Oh, I was just playing something that didn't have keys. There we go. Much better. Yeah, this is so much worse than having my 88 keys again. I missed them already. Alright, forget it. Let's go. Okay, so we got the new game. Let's jump on into Thyris Town. And let's see. Materialize mission. Move your chair. Display none. Okay, so it's working. What did I do? Oh, I did the clean class name. Maybe it's working in production now. The code just hadn't cleared yet. Let's take a look. I'm gonna clear the cache. Materialize. None. Yes, it's working. Okay, cool. Well, that's one bug fixed.
Yes, thank you. Sorry, sir. I'm pretty
I
sure
hope
I'm
you
in the
have a
right
great
place.
day.
Shut
Mr.
up.
Salverson sent me here to continue some research. Oh, hello.
It's Negrescu. He'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded. Follow me, please.
It's a dog chewing. Sounds like a
We
crab
are
clicking
here
its
to
claws.
help you.
I understand every word. Everyone who's just showing up in the YouTube Shorts live feed thought I was having a seizure. Excuse me. No, I do not have a... I do not have a
This is gonna
neurological
take
disorder.
forever to get an order. Well, never
Okay,
a
cool.
better
See,
time
the
than
mission
now,
didn't... I mean, the
suppose.
message didn't show up.
This is your CNC device.
This is your
Refer to
CNC
this
device.
while in the Tyrus research facility.
All right, well, let's finish this mission, and then we can test the phone message, and then we can do... I think we could do the Thyrus. I mean, the Thyrus. This is Thyrus. We can do the Bylon cutscene, which means we're gonna have to create the restaurant map. Whoa! 10 months, Indy, that's too long. You're not even gonna live that long. Hey Indy, you like my new dragging animation? Looks like I'm walking a shopping cart. And it can detect which direction I'm dragging. Watch, when I grab this. Fantastic. Perfect. Yeah, at least it looks like you're not... You know what? What made me do this is because C-Films showed up on stream, and I was just kind of like getting the dragging logic working. And he's like, oh, he can move things with his mind? I was like, son of a bitch. He like hit me in the back of my ego, where I'm just like, no, that's not what's happening. I didn't put that in the book. He can't move things with his mind. So I had to come up with the logic now where you can drag stuff and it looks like you're at least attempting to drag it with your hands. Love C-Films. Great guy. Alright, let's put you here. I'm starting to get the hang of this dragging level. It's actually definitely not going to be easy for people first try. You have to know where to put things so they don't get in the goddamn way. Oh my god. See, I'm already screwing up. Okay, you go here. Especially if you don't know where things are supposed to go. Yeah, man. Juke, go there. Let's get this server out of the way. He does definitely look too strong to be carrying giant furniture around like this. I'm thinking like, should I slow down his movement speed when he's dragging something? Maybe. That would also give you incentive not to just kind of drag something around the entire map. So I might actually do that. That would not be hard. I just need to, you know, multiply the movement speed by 2. Come on, robot arm. Yeah. Let's get this computer out of the way. The persistent voices are like the annoying 1999 Sim theme park. Yeah, right. You've had people in and out of the hospital, so I've been kind of busy. Oh shit, I'm sorry. That's no joke, my friend. I hope everybody's doing alright. Making swift recoveries. Because that ain't no good. Actually, I can't move this here yet. I have to move this server out of the way. So are we covered now? Hell yeah. That's great. Glad to hear it, my friend. And last but not least, this is what's going to trigger the actual device. Because it seems like this is the second time I've done this, and it seems like this is the last one that I always move. So it's actually not too bad. I should also put the blockade on this one, to be honest. Alright, here we go. Boop. Oh shit. Too high. There we go. Yay! So now that I finished this, now you can look around, cool, 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 whatever. But now, what I should do, when I walk out of this door, I should get a message. Oh yeah. So, we have our message. We open it, it says, hey, Mr. Milford, and it's a text message, so that's why it doesn't have a little soundbite thing. Please meet me for dinner at Bailon. We have much to discuss. If you get lost, please refer to facility map outside the research grid. See you soon. And I'm like, what the fuck is she talking about? Research grid. Also, I need to... Oh, that's good to know. I need to add the names of the people that are talking. Right now, you have no idea. You made the account? All right. Let's hook you up. What image are you thinking? What you want, boy? Tell me about it. Oh yeah, I don't want to do this where I dox your email. Forgot who got very upset. Oh, I think it was Sama. I was doing that. I did not mean to, and I had to obfuscate the email out of my video. Oh, in Indy, I actually created a new field in the user accounts, so you don't have to create your username exactly like your Twitch anymore. You can just add your Twitch name to the account. So, easier to get this shit now. Oh, okay, your star. Got it. Yeah, what kind of image you want, Star? Either I'll find it or you can send it to me in Discord or something. Upload avatar. I can also just pick one for you if you want. Most likely a picture of my face. So, up to you. Can also be a GIF. Pretty sure I can just have a GIF too. It could be this. You want this to be your avatar? Graham doing a weird Tai Chi pose. You want that? Alright, I got you. Download as GIF. This is now Star Melon. So good. I can't think of a better avatar than Graham doing a weird Tai Chi move. And his coat doing a weird, like, billow. Oh yeah, this is good. It's like he's farting or something when he lifts his arm. Like, right here. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, let me add your account. Your account name is Twitch account. Star Melon Studio. There we go. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. You're there. So now, when I refresh the stream avatars that are floating above my head, your GIF should be showing up. So let's make sure that's happening. Noah. Noah. Am I saying it right? Or is it Noah? I could definitely call you by your name if you'd prefer. Oh, there he is. Oh no, is it not doing the animation though? It's like the GIF is just dead. Noah. Okay, so I'm right. Noah. Okay, Noah. Let's refresh. I'm starting to think the GIF isn't going to actually play out, unfortunately. That's too bad. I'm going to try to fix that, though. Yay! Well, you're there. Now you're just Graham standing the other direction, ignoring us. That's pretty damn funny. TBH. Yeah, gotta figure that out. Wonder why the GIF animation is not showing. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it because I could go down a rabbit hole, but let's check this out. I just want to see what would make a GIF not GIF. Unless it got converted to a WebP. It's highly possible. Let's see. Because that's definitely WebP. Oh, I think it's the cropped version, that's why. No, see, it's still a GIF, though. Yeah, but I think the cropped version is converting it. Yeah, that's too bad. I think it's just because it's how the avatar uploads. You got me in the background? Hey, give me them watch hours, man. In fact, also jump on YouTube. I need them sweet, sweet watch hours. That's the main issue I've been having with YouTube. Like, I'm almost at 500, and once I get to 500, I can monetize, but you need 3,000 watch hours. And I have like half that. I need 10,000 people to watch me for 1 hour. I don't need that many, but I need like 2,000 people to watch me for an hour.
This is your CNC device.
Great.
Refer to this while in the Tyrus research.
Okay, so there's two things we need to do next. I need to create a map up here. This is gonna be where I'm gonna put the research grid map. Yeah, that's a lot of work. And this will show me kind of where everything is. Like, it'll show me Bylon's over there, and it'll show me that, you know, the condos are up here, and then it'll show you the research grid, like what the letters are, what they mean. So that'll be great. So I need to make that map and then have it show here, because then you'll know to go do 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 all the way over here. And one thing I just thought about, I have her walk to her office. I need to have her walk like off the map, because I have to meet her in the I have to meet her at the restaurant. So if I walk by her and the restaurant's right up there, then that would be very awkward. So let's not have her walk there. Let's finish her walk. Instead of going down here and going to her office, she actually needs to leave. I guess I can just make her leave after. I don't know. It might be a little weird, but let's see. Let's go to characters, go to Iona. And let's do record walking path. And this should add more to her walking path now. So let me do this. Let me get over here. So we'll walk her back over here. Save. And then we'll have her walk back up here. Save. And then we'll have her walk into the restaurant. How about that? Let's zoom out. Oh no, I actually don't know if zoom out will work on this one. Come on. We'll walk there together. Oh shit. I screwed up. Oh shit. I totally screwed this up. Ah! Let go, let go. Here, let's see if I can let go. Well, I might have fucked that up. Alright. Welp. I also need to add a block right here. Apparently I never added a wall there. I could not be bothered, apparently. And then this is going to be the entrance to the level. That needs to be a blockade too. Yeah, okay. Okay, why are you there? Oh, I guess I never... Huh. Okay, cool. So let's walk her over here. And let's get her into the restaurant. I guess I could just put on fucking dev mode. I don't know what I'm thinking. There we go. Okay. Now she's in the restaurant. Cool. That's probably good enough. Oh shit, what am I doing? I just moved her starting point. God damn it. I didn't put on the record. It's okay. That was very stupid. Damn it. What? Oh, I must have clicked new game. I'm just screwing up left and right now. Alright, I'm gonna have to reset her goddamn path now. Yeah, let's just do it naturally real quick.
Mr. Milford, is your CNC. Here you are stationed.
Alright, let's just mute this for a bit. Oh no, now she's not starting where she's supposed to. Wait, where's her? Okay, so I gotta bring her over here now. I've gotta walk her over here. Alright, come on. Let's head over to Bailon. Too bad I can't run. Fading through a wall. I am God mode. Nobody touch me. Okay. Okay. Now you're coming with me, Missy. Come on down to Orbem Town. We're dragging girls around the map. Alright. There. Stay. Yeah, okay. Now let's talk to her. Oh, whoops. Still in God mode. Let's put that back off. Alright. Hello, Mr. Milford. Alright. And now let's get her to walk over there. Let's try to follow her. She's too fast. Let's see where she goes next. And then I'll turn the record back on. And then drag her into the office. Ah. So it looks like that all got completely busted out. Okay, well, let me double check that she's not all screwed up with a bunch of walking paths. I have a feeling she might be. Walking path. Oh, the path is in the cutscene, that's right. Me bod. Talk to you again. Okay, so she has all that, and she ends up there. No, this is fine. Oh, you know what? Walking path recording won't work, because this is part of the cutscene. So I have to actually manually add this. Alright, so let's remove this one. This puts her into her office, and this one. This moves her down to her office. So we're going to remove these 2 steps of the walking path. Okay. And instead of stopping here, we're going to just put her at like fucking 8,000. We'll just let her walk all the way through the restaurant. There we go. Now we're cooking. So I think she'll actually go over there now. Okay. That's not right. Did that not save? Oh no, it did. It's right there. How does that even work? Like, why does she stay there? I actually don't know. It's because the cutscene's over. But why is it keeping her here? That's weird. That's not even what I did. Maybe it's just going based off of the old path. Oh, she has a data path. Where is she right now? 3333 1298. Oh, that's this one. Okay. I need to remove this. I screwed up on this one, I think. That's why. Because I was recording a walking path by Occidente. That's the path. Wait, what? Did it record it in the other cutscene? Okay, now I'm confused. What the hell's going on? No. Where's she getting that path? What the fuck? Data path. Iona. Where the fuck is this path coming from? 908-331. Huh? Why you confuse me? Was I on the wrong person? It's Iona. No? That's the only Iona. Uno. Iona. Okay, so we have the starting path. And then we have the... Oh, it's right here. Why am I tripping? Okay, so I have to remove these. Where was I going? Oh, I was doing path trigger. I was just skipping over the path. My bad. Boop, boop. Okay, now you don't have a path. Go. Yeah, that's right. Now you should be in the restaurant. Are you in the restaurant? Or at least far away. Iona. Where are you at, Iona? Where? Oh, here she is. She is... No. She is down here. What? Why? Wait. Am I tripping? She's right here. 15. Wait, did she go back to the starting spot? I'm confused. She is. I guess that's normal for restarting. I don't know why I'm confused right now. That's correct. Right. Then she'll walk away pretty fast. And now let's verify that she'll walk all the way to the restaurant. Go. Oh shit. She just fucking vanished. Okay. That was confusing. Considering I still can't move here. As if she's sitting here. Oh my god, I have no idea what I'm doing. Why did I break this? Yeah, look, she's still here, but her image went away. Why? She lost her position. Hold up. You don't have a path anymore. Which is fine. You don't need one. But then your cutscene is supposed to control where you go after. And that would be... yeah, god damn it. Iona again. Here's your cutscene. And here's your... trigger. Your path. So you go up to 929 with the same left position, right? Whatever your left position was, 1507. So you go up to 929 and then you go way right. That's correct. I don't know what the problem is. Why is this breaking all of a sudden? Let's try again. Let's take a look at her cutscenes. Yeah, because her first move is fine. It's that second cutscene that's kind of fucking up. So, cutscene. Oh yeah. Explore cutscene. Talk to Iona again. Wait, what? Materialize cutscene is talk to Iona. Talk to Iona. Oh yeah, why are there two of these? I actually realized that in Monday's stream. Here's talk to Iona again, but there's two of these for no reason. Wait, yeah, because this is the trigger. And then this is also a trigger, but the triggers are doubling up. That's a mission trigger. Here's the path, which is correct. 8339. Yeah. So the data path is fine on that cutscene, so it should be working fine. But the goddamn cutscene trigger is showing twice, which is weird. But it's the cutscene that's working, so I guess whatever. Talk to Iona. Cutscene trigger. Wait, there's... what? How many are there? Talk to Iona cutscene. This is the... hold on. What the fuck's going on here? Did I just push myself off the map? Sorry. Sorry, me. Let's do cutscene trigger. So that. These are exactly the same. Okay, but this is Toxiona again. So that's fine. Wait, there are 2 of these. Am I creating these? How am I creating these? Hold on. Why is it doubling up? When am I creating 2? Because look, now there's 2 here and 2 here. Is it the data mission complete? Talk to your onboarder. No. That's the first cutscene. Okay. I don't know, man. Whatever. Okay, so we have the path here. It is correct. Right? Where's the cutscene again? This is cutscene. This is cutscene again. Yeah. So that should be correct. It goes there and then there from our current position. So let's try to get through this. And we are jumping through the cutscene. Wait. But the path should be on the cutscene, not the cutscene trigger, right? Okay, yeah. This is the cutscene. This has the path. Okay. Okay, here we go. So will she just poof out of existence? Okay, no, it worked. I don't know. That must have been a fluke. Interesting. Might have been. I might have been touching her and it fucked up the image or something. All right, well, whatever. Still don't know why there's 2 triggers. That's kind of weird. Just verifying that she's no longer on the map. Okay, cool. So now I should be able to go to... Let me just double check. I should be able to go to Bylon without seeing her anymore. So she is gone. Fantastic. That being said, we need a blockade. I think I'll put the same shit. Oh, no, we need 2 blockades then. Okay, no. Organize your office will be the blockade. Because once I get that one, another blockade shows up to block me in the office and keeps me there until I finish that mission. And then that one will go away. So let's do that. And then we need to make the map. And then we should probably upgrade the communication cell phone shit. Because this makes no sense. Alright, well. Let's get a blockade going on... whatchamacallit. Oh, mission. On the mission. Yeah, sure, let's leave. And the mission's going to be... organize your office. And this is where the blockade goes. So what is it going to be? It's going to be this. This bad boy here. Let's grab a quickie. And let me get the pinpoint. The blockade will be, 770 by 4268. 770 by 4268. And we'll do our normal height 250, width 30. Kind of have like a standard doorway height. So I kind of just know that now. Okay, cool. And these are the next missions that show up. we have the trigger to complete the mission. That's when I go in the door. And this blockade will exist until this mission completes. Let's actually verify that real quick. So I'll just refresh and this should have a blockade in front of it now. Because I have not finished that mission yet. Try again. Never mind. You should have a blockade, brah. You do. It's right here. Why you no blockade then? Well, other blockades are working, so that's interessante. Did I give it the wrong pinpoint? I don't think so. No, that's pretty much it. Where my blockade at? See, look, this has a blockade. No, it doesn't. It's defaulting to nothing. I forgot about that. This one does. Yeah, move your computer. That has a blockade. And that blockade is showing. No, it doesn't show until it's not a next mission anymore. Oh, is it because it's a next mission? Wait, why does this? No, this is the next mission. Yeah, that's correct. Interesting. But if the... Well, it's showing up, so it shouldn't matter. Let me actually double check the blockade logic. Because it might be because I don't know. Because I refreshed. But I do have a load blockades function. That's what I'm working on. Right here, load mission blockade. So this happens on load. We're getting all the missions. We're getting the blockade. If it has a blockade and it's not empty, we're parsing it. And if the height is not 0, which it's not, then we're creating one. And then we are appending it to the default map. Which should be fine. Okay, so it should be at the bottom if it exists.
Gray One and just followed.
What up, Gray One? Thanks for following, bud. How you doing? Welcome to the party. Oh, it's Freedom Dow. What up? What's my weakness? I have no weaknesses. You know that. I can't think of one. There's not one in this world. No. Wait, hold on. No. Oh, here we go. There's a blockade. And there's a blockade. So here's the blockade. Oh, it's display none. See, why is it display none if the mission's showing? You've been offline a while. Sick, man. Yeah, Freedom Down, how you doing? I've been talking to this guy ShinX, who's been doing some interesting things with ChatGPT, like making it run simulations that it like shouldn't do, basically. And it reminded me of your stuff. What you were doing with AI. I think you guys would have some stuff to talk about. He's in Discord, ShinX. You still deving a lot? Hell yeah. That's great. X-ray. X-ray for Adrian. Okay. Well, the problem is that it's display none. So it shouldn't because this mission is showing. So let's see. What am I doing wrong? I think it starts, yeah, by none for... See, but then L class list contains next mission. Ah. That's why. Wait, what? What? But I'm creating it here. Why would it have next mission in it? That's confusing. I'm confused. Why did I do that? Wait. Why? It doesn't have next mission on it though. Oh, it does. Why? I must be creating a next mission for it? Oh, blockade classes. Oh, okay. Got it. So it's because it is a next mission. But the problem is, even if it's a next mission, it's showing up. So that logic is not a good logic. What I should do is just check if this exists. Because I remove it. No. If it's visible. So instead of doing this, I should be doing this. Do I use blockade classes or anything? Oh, I use it for here. That's fine. But instead, I should do this. Is mission.style.display. If that equals block. Right? Because this equals block. Yeah. Oh no, if it has engage. I'll just check if it has engage, not next mission. Correct. We can do this. If mission.classList contains engage. No, does not contain engage. So false equals contains engage. Either that, no, that would be the only thing. If it doesn't equal engage, right? Yeah, there's no other reason to hide it. Or to not hide it. Though I think missions that don't have next mission. Okay, well then we'll say this. That or no, or... Oh, we need to do both. So false equals engage. And true equals next mission. Yeah, there we go. Have you had ChatGPT play your game in agent mode? No. Can it do that? How do I do that? Yeah, I haven't messed around with agent mode. You probably would love it. I think it can because it has a whole browser and vision now. It would have to... Oh, okay. Here, my URL is orbem.games. But does it matter if that redirects? I wonder if it matters. Probably doesn't. If the agent really can go on the internet. And it's gonna have to log in. Or not log in, actually. You might have to tell it to not log in and just play a new game. Because I don't require a login, but I do require you to click a couple buttons to get to it. Okay, I think this logic will actually work now for blockades that are part of next missions that are done, that are showing up. It can register. Nice. Don't have it register an account. That'd be very confusing. Just ask it to play a non-logged in game. Alright, let's push this up. And then I might call it a night after this. I am feeling better. I'm feeling better, but I'm still like not 100%. Long time ago, you made an open it call to your computer. Nice. It's registering account. Let me register a WordPress account. That's funny. Good. Well, it better like my newsletters when I start sending those someday. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Flash push this up. And then when this code actually works, when I refresh, that blockade should be here. It's playing right now without an account. Oh, nice. Orbem, have you fixed your code duplicate problem? I was setting up speakers and not paying attention. Oh, no, I don't know. I don't know what the duplicate shit is. I'm ignoring it. Cause look, this also has duplicate. It looks like. No, these are different. Next mission move. Oh yeah, they just look similar. Yeah, I don't know. Those triggers are duplicating for some reason. Testing repeated W key press. Oh yeah, that will make you move forward with W. It's trying to learn. Well, I do have little pop-up tutorials that can explain things too. I wonder if it can actually like pay attention to that. That's crazy. I could use fucking ChatGPT as my game tester. I didn't even think agent mode could do that. Is that premium? Like you have to pay for that? How do you turn agent mode on? Yeah, it's probably something you gotta pay for. You need ChatGPT plus 20 bucks a month. Ah, got it. Library, visualize anything. No, wait, I don't want a new one. Actually, yeah, I don't care. Write for me. Oh yeah, let me check right now. I can actually probably see what's going on. Let's see the user it made. Oh wait, hold on. I don't want to dox everybody apparently. People get all butthurt about that. Yeah, let's go to the newest person and see what account it created. I don't have a lot of people, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Did it say what account? Oh, didn't you say that it was playing without an account? It's complaining it can't move. You sound so clear through my homemade speakers. Hell yeah. Can you hear the bass in my voice? Choose the red pill or the blue pill. You can take over the screen too for a second. Oh, that's cool. The receiver I'm using is like 16 years old. Oh, that's great. Oh, I can't register. Okay. It's just playing without an account. Yeah, then it's not going to have anything saved to the database. I can't detect anything then. That's pretty cool though. Okay, let's see if this blockage shows up. It can register if you ask it to. Yeah, I'd be interested to see if it could actually get through the demo, how it exists right now. Continue. Damn it. No blockage yet. Engage. Yeah, so it shouldn't, the blockade itself is at the bottom of the default map. And it shouldn't have an issue. Like this should not be none. Wait, this one or the other one? Yeah, this one. Organize your office. So this one should not be none. Let me double check if that's not also a server side thing. Let's go to the mission. Oh, here's explore missions. Blockade. It might actually be a hard-coded thing. These are classes. Next mission. Yeah, see, that shouldn't matter as long as the mission itself isn't engage. Unless I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, no, this is done in JavaScript. Let me clear my cache, see if the code pushed up. Blockade. Damn it. It's still display none. Let's double check. Let me double check what I just fixed. So I basically said if the mission itself that the blockade is attached to, if the class list does not have engage in it, which this one does, and next mission equals true. So these two have to be met in order for it to say display none for the blockade L. So I think it's just the code hasn't been pushed yet. Let me double check it went up. It's the future. Any tips? Use the arrow keys. How about that? Use the arrow keys to move. Can it use keyboard keys? Because if it can use that, then it should be able to move. It's trying W. W should also work. WASD works for movement. But I don't know why it's not moving. But yeah, I mean, the arrow keys definitely work. Are you looking at the screen? Is it in the game? That's weird. Yeah, because look, I'm hitting W. Oh, wait. I'm hitting W, ASD, and then I'm also hitting the arrow keys. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working though. Unless it's stuck on something. Okay, let me see the screenshot. What? Trying to open inventory by pressing E. No, there is no inventory pressing E. No, you got to use the mouse to click the menu items on the top right. But yeah, you should be able to walk around right now, from this screen at least. This is cool. It's pretty cool though. Come on, ChatGPT. You can't be stupider than a 4-year-old. Hit some keys, brah. Oh yeah, I was checking if the code pushed. Yeah, no, it pushed. Let's clear the cache again. Double check. There's no reason why this should still be displaying none. But it fucking is. Okay. We might have to pull this down and do some local testing. It's trying. You can do it. Jeebity. That's funny. More characters walked up to ChatGPT. All right. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down the database and the newest images, and I'm going to just try this locally, and I'm going to do some consoling and shit and try to figure out why the hell it's still hiding the blockade. The only thing I can think of is maybe it's not detecting the mission properly, but I don't know. I don't want to do any more blind coding on it. And go. Guess you should retry it and give it the game how to and text how to move, etc. Yeah. Give it a shot. Let me know how it works. But I'm going to head out. I have to get some sleep. Hey, everybody that's jumped on, I really appreciate it. Surprisingly, I've had 0, not even 1 message on YouTube Shorts live feed. That has been the most chattiest group lately for the past couple weeks, so I am very surprised. But hey, anybody who's been lurking, jumping on, say hi. Hey, there's Pedro. There you go. I got a message. Appreciate it, man, Pedro. Thanks for jumping on, and yeah, I hope you're subscribed so I can catch you in the next one, and you can see how this game engine progresses in the WordPress world. Yo, you freaking love shrimp. Can I add shrimp? Of course I can add shrimp. There's no reason I can't add shrimp. There's actually a kitchen in Foresight that you could very easily just add a quick bit of shrimp in the actual break room. So yeah. And look, this is kind of like a shrimp. It's like a robot shrimp. This little guy here. He's a bug scientist, but shrimps are like bugs. Not too far off. Sure, I think we can, somebody could have left their plate of shrimp. Like, we'll leave it on one of these tables, and then we have shrimp. Fantastic. Great suggestion, you freaking love shrimp. Pedro, thanks for saying hi. Starmelon, appreciate you coming by and saying hi. Always good to talk. And hey, Freedom Dow, thanks so much for jumping on. I'm really interested to hear how ChatGPT does. Hit up the Discord. Keep in contact, man. Always good to talk. And ChatGPT near the door trying to open it. Can you send a message to players? Maybe ChatGPT read it. Oh, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what that means. And then Indy, thank you so much for jumping on, man. Hope you're doing well and that everybody recovers fully. And hey, Kuzo, good to see you, bud. I hope you guys come back very soon, and I will catch you all in the next one. So yes. Happy Wednesday/Thursday, and oh, we're almost at Friday, people. We got this. Woo! I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a great night, day, morning, whatever time it is for you. Goodbye.